everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm Tara with Piece of Tara Artistry. Thank you for joining me. So today is a special video because this painting will be given away at the raffle at the Fluid Art Experience coming up March 14th through 16th in Dallas, Texas. It's at the Renaissance Hotel Richardson. Really exciting event. If you don't know about it, please go to fluidartexperience.com. Has all the artists. As you saw in the beginning, the artists, there is an evening gathering, there is a meet and greet. So if you don't have tickets for that yet, definitely go, because at that evening gathering is when you will be able to win this piece. So it's a lot of fun, you guys. You get to ask the artists any questions. We eat dinner together and really just have a good time at that event. So definitely go and check out the website and get your tickets if you have not already done so. Oh, and one other thing is there is a block of rooms that are available for that hotel, and the cutoff date for that is February 13th. So you have about a week to get the group hotel discount. So definitely check that out if you have not already. So in this piece, I'm going to be doing a pearl pour, and as you saw in the beginning, I did let you know what all of my colors are. Basically, what I just did is I put down a bunch of the base colors and I overlaid them so that I can get what I call peacock pearls. So this is part of a class that I will be teaching. It's going to be mostly in my advanced pearl class. It is on Saturday afternoon, but we will talk about it in the beginner pearl class as well. But this technique of layering these paints, these base paints, will create pearls that have like a color within a color. And you'll see that in the final results as well as in the wet results and in the dry results at the end. So stick around for those for sure. Now, the inspiration for this pour was my husband and I went on an Alaskan cruise back in August of last year, and we had the opportunity to take a helicopter to a glacier, and we got to walk on the glacier. It was just really, really cool. I'm going to insert some photos here at the end, so I'll show you what the inspiration was. You'll see definitely what I mean when you see the end results as well as those pictures. So stick around so that you can see those. But I was really just so impressed by the beautiful colors that are in the glacier. That glacier blue is just gorgeous. And then when you're on the glacier, there's a lot of like sediment and rock. So I wanted to incorporate that raw umber in there to show you that. And so now what I'm doing with these colors, that light blue and the white, I'm just tilting that around. And like I said, I didn't want to waste a lot of color, so I added a little bit. I tilted a little bit earlier for the base colors and then added more. And then I did the same here. I went ahead and added some more of this pearl white in areas that I wanted more pearls in. So you can see that I didn't fully cover that light phthalo blue because I kind of wanted like a river look to go through, and I do have a little video at the end too that I'll show you what my inspiration was on that. So I love this one, and Originally, I had thought that I was going to do texture on it, which is another class. I'm actually teaching three texture classes. So, and if you know my work, you know that I do a lot of texture over top of my pours with like texture scales. I'll do texture flowers. So those are a couple of my classes that I will be teaching. And I also will be doing an all things texture too, which is really just a great beginner. I'm going to go through all sorts of texture products that you can use, and then you're going to have a chance to create some textured art yourself. And then as well, I will be doing a bloom blowout class that is on the last day, the last class. So definitely go check those out. But again, like I said, I was thinking I was going to do texture over top of this, but as I let this one sit and develop, I really loved the outcome. So I decided that I was just going to leave well enough alone, and I would not do any texture on this, which I love this one. It is so beautiful. It's really beautiful in person. And it really does a good job of showing what my inspiration was. So I'm here now just letting this develop, and you'll see while I do that, I fix my edges because this is a deep edge canvas. I want to make sure that the edges look beautiful as well. So here we go. This is the wet results, and it will still continue to develop over the time. Sorry about the color here. It's kind of going in and out with my camera, but so many interesting things happened on this one. I got some kind of like pebble cells as well from that satin enamel and the pearls, and I got those color within a color. You can see here they're multicolored pearls, and that is what I was going for. Up on the left here, you see that latte and the raw umber, the blue, all coming together, showing on in those pearls. So I really loved how this one turned out. It dried beautifully, which you will see here shortly, but look at all these interesting spots. I mean, I was really just loving and I love how this technique just shows those pearls so beautifully. So here we go. This is the dry results. You see it dried almost exactly the way that it was poured wet, or you saw the wet results. A few more pearls popped up in that center section with that icy blue. So I'm really thrilled with this. Guys, definitely go check out the website, Fluid Art Experience. It really is a good time. We have so much fun in the classes, and you will have an opportunity to win this and the other art. You get a raffle ticket per class that you take. So if you take 3 classes, you get 3 raffle tickets or 3 chances. I love that part right there, by the way. And if you have 6 classes, you get 6 chances. So the more classes you take, the more chance of winning you will have. And yeah, that's pretty much it, you guys. Here I'm going to show you some it on the art wall, and then I will let you see the inspiration. Thank you guys for being here, and have a great day.